If everything costs more in 2026 but your home still needs repairs, don't assume you need a big renovation budget. Here's how to make low-budget improvements look premium. Number 1, repair before replacing. Old cabinets, clean, prep and paint them. Then change the hardware, boom. Dated bathroom, fresh caulk, paint, a new medicine cabinet with mirror or updated hardware can change the entire impression without replacing everything. Number 2, stop shopping only at full retail. Check Habitat for Humanity Restore. Here's a money-saving secret. Never start at full retail. Check clearance, overstock, liquidation, and discontinued styles first. And here's a hidden gem many homeowners overlook. Habitat Restore. You can find everything from cabinets and doors to flooring, lighting, and building materials, sometimes new, sometimes gently used, for way less than retail. And here's another gem, Ollie's Bargain Outlet. Check their home improvement section for closeout flooring, hardware, and home supplies. Inventory changes, so when you find enough material for your project, do the math and grab what you need. Number 3, make inexpensive materials look intentional. Use consistent finishes, match your hardware, refresh trim, and instead of renovating the entire room, upgrade the one feature your eye notices first. Number 4, don't pay for labor you can safely learn to do yourself. Home Depot offers free online and on-site how-to workshops covering projects like painting, flooring, and basic home improvements. Learn first, then decide whether you need a contractor. Remember, low budget doesn't have to look low budget. Repair, reuse, refresh, and shop smarter before you replace. Because your budget may be smaller, but your home can still look beautiful.